All right, today we're going to be making herbal lozenges. Our first ingredient is ginger. Ginger is a great warming herb and is going to help to move stuck stagnant congestion in your lungs. Next, we have a mullein. Mullein is an expectorant, meaning that if you have a dry, unproductive cough, mullein is going to help to bring out that stuck mucus that is caught in your lungs and airway passages. Also, mullein is a demulcent, meaning that it's going to help to soothe your irritated airway passages. Next is we're going to use spilanthes, which is also known as toothache plant. Spilanthes has an immediate numbing action when it's applied to a mucous membrane. So spilanthes is going to help to numb your throat. Also, spilanthes is an immune stimulant, meaning it's going to, if you take it before the onset of a cold, it's going to help you to get over that cold a lot quicker. Next is cloves. All right, we'll be using cloves because cloves is great. It's also an expectorant. It's going to help you to cough up stuck mucus. Also, cloves has antimicrobial properties. Add 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of honey. I forgot to include the clip, but also add 1 tablespoonful of coconut oil. Add the juice of 1 squeezed lemon. This is a tea containing the ginger, mullein, cloves, and spilanthes. We're going to add this into our mixture. We're going to add 1 cup. Now you're going to stir and bring it to a boil. You're going to keep it at medium heat and stir constantly. Our mixture is starting to get bubbly and foamy. This means that we are near the end, but continue to stir. We do not want our mixture to scorch. All right, I'm going to use a candy thermometer to check the temperature, and we're trying to get it around 280 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, now we are ready to pour. I'm going to use a silicone mold, and I'm going to use a spatula to spread it evenly across each section. Refrigerate to cool. Remove once they are firm. All right, I've removed the cough lozenges from the refrigerator, and I'm just going to pop them out of the mold. And what I'm doing is I'm placing them in powdered sugar, and I'm going to coat them in powdered sugar. That is to keep them from sticking when you store them. And there you have it, all done. This is one for the house, and this is one to go.